Let's start cooking delicious chicken with squash. Add 1/2 cup of olive oil. Add 2 onions medium to 100 grams, thinly sliced. Sauté for 5 minutes till it's softened on medium heat. Add 10 pieces of chicken 300 grams. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. Sauté till the chicken changes its color. For 10 minutes on medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add 2 small tomatoes, cut into small pieces. Then add 500 grams of squash, cut into small slices. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. On low-medium heat till the chicken is tender, and cover and cook on medium-high till the oil separates. Add 4 whole Thai hot chilies. Now add 2 mild green chilies, cut into small slices. Mix it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Delicious chicken with squash is ready to serve. Best to eat with your favorite naan or with boiled rice. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.